The average person creates 5 gigabytes of notes they never look at again. AI note-taking apps fix this by surfacing, connecting, and summarizing your knowledge automatically. Notion AI is built-in and seamless. It summarizes pages, generates content, and answers questions about your workspace. Best for teams who want AI without plugins or setup. Obsidian's Smart Connections and Copilot plugins bring AI to local first notes. Your data stays on your device while AI finds connections you'd never spot manually. Roam's bidirectional linking plus AI creates a true knowledge graph. It excels at surfacing surprising connections between ideas across thousands of notes. Notion for teams and simplicity, Obsidian for privacy and customization, Roam for researchers and heavy thinkers. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize collaboration, privacy, or depth. Which note-taking app do you swear by? Comment your pick. Subscribe for the complete Obsidian AI setup tutorial launching next week.